Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a 2026 Volvo XC90 Plus. This is in vapor gray metallic with a charcoal Nordico interior. So the XC90 had a big refresh. Volvo came out with a 25.5 edition that was released last year. So this is the 26, basically the same refresh as the 25.5. On the outside, you get the crisscross grille, you get the cool headlights. So these are updated Thor's Hammer headlights. They're active bending LED headlights. They are super bright and they have a cool little sequence, welcome and goodbye sequence. That's a nice upgrade for these lights. In the back, those tail lights are darkened up a little bit. And then in the front, on the inside, there's a giant new screen. So that's the big update on the inside is now this has an 11.2-inch infotainment screen as opposed to the 9-inch screen that you've seen in a Volvo for a while now. And that has upgraded software that's super fast. This has Google infotainment integrated, so Google Maps are part of the car. This one is in vapor gray metallic, and you can see in the sun, it's beautiful. It is a plug-in hybrid, so this is the T8. You can get this in either a B5, B6, or T8. The T8 is the plug-in hybrid. So on a full charge, you'll get around 30 miles pure electric. But if you're going for the hybrid full efficiency, you can get around 50 miles per gallon as long as you're plugging in and using this in the most efficient way. And I'll show you when we jump in a second. 21-inch wheels, standard. Integrated roof rails up top, standard. Giant panoramic sunroof with a power sunshade is standard. And when you get the Plus trim level, this integrated booster seat in the center is standard. And if you don't need that, that just pops down flat. This is a 4-way climate control situation. There's a little door here with 2 USB-C ports. This has the protection package, so rubber mats throughout. And this is the plug to plug it in, and you can plug it in your house or on your 110 outlet, just a regular household outlet in your garage. Cool wood trim, memory seating for 3. This one also has the upgraded Harman Kardon sound system. And these are the Nordico seats, so they're quilted on the sides here, a little texture there. These seats are super comfortable. And this one happens to be a former loaner car, and it has a pretty amazing discount right now. All of the plug-in hybrids have some sort of a discount, but this has a significant discount because it has 5,000 miles on it, and it was used as our service loaner program. So this is your home screen, and if I shift into gear, I'm just going to shift us into reverse, and so it's nice. You can see all around. You get the overhead view as well as the backup camera view. And now if you were going with a core, you would only have a backup camera. So the Plus and the Ultra are the trims that you can get the 360 camera system with that. So right from this screen, if I go to drive mode, I can actually charge the battery with the engine while it's running. If it's just on auto and hybrid, it will just default to its most efficient driving. But if you wanted to use just pure electric, that's where you will toggle on there, unless you have this toggled on, and that way you start up. So if you are a driver that drives, short distances most days, under 30 miles, you'd be riding in pure electric most of the time. And then if you want to have a very, very peppy, super fun drive, This will get you 455 horsepower and it's ready to go. Back to the more efficient use of this car. So if I go onto creep and turn that on, now when I'm driving and I decelerate, it'll feel a little grippy on the brakes. And then further, when I shift into gear, if I pull down one more time and I'm just pulling back like this to get into gear, it doesn't show up there, but it does show up here. When you're in the B mode, it will actually act sort of like one pedal drive on an electric car, which is even a little grippier on the brakes, but it will send more energy and give you more range. Pretty slick. So if you've been thinking about getting yourself into your next new favorite vehicle, come find us. We are on 9 US Route 1 in Scarborough, Maine. This is stock number 26016, and I'll add a link in the description box below with all the details. Come check us out. Thank you so much for watching. Share with your friends or anyone else that you think might enjoy some Swedish luxury. Take care.